minutes. We're gonna finish this last song. We're gonna hang out for a little while longer. Maybe hug a little bit. Probably take some pictures. Maybe some people are gonna go swimming. Who knows?
Yeah, guys.
And tomorrow morning we're gonna wake up and it's gonna be gone. It's gonna be done.
We're
Live on forever through that vlog right there. More appealing. I could have sworn I checked up. We met
and we're vlogging. I'm vlogging.
You're vlogging?
I'm vlogging. Okay, we are vlogging. I'm vlogging.
You're vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Praying this will last another moment will be all I need to fix your path so it led to me. You tell yourself it's just a feeling. You get when no one's around. So swallow your pride. Say something more. Stop pretending you're fine. Trying to ignore all that they left behind. We could settle the score. Start living for something worth dying for. What are you waiting for? So tell me now that you're aware. You never gave it a chance. You cut the ties before you realized potential was there. That it was all just a game, and too many tries, you'll never play it the same. When I say this will last, praying this will last another moment would be all I need to fix your path so it led to me. You tell yourself it's just a feeling. You get when no one's around. So swallow your pride.